Welcome to Sir Parch Chess Games. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Ayan. Welcome to Sir Parch Chess Games. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Guys, laro tayo ulit. Accept kaya natin. Cancel na lang natin guys na hanap tayo ng ibang kalaban. Yan, from Philippines. Nalaban kaya ito guys, si Ramel Ancas 1628. Parang hindi. Ayaw siguro. Ayaw ni Ramel. Sige guys. Ayaw niya guys. Yan, from Ecuador. E4, E5, Knight F3, Knight C6. This is the Roy Lopez opening. Kinapture niya, capture dito. Na-open niya, capture na natin. Capture na natin guys. Let's try to attack first. Okay. Castle. Atakihin ko kaya to guys. Magkakaroon siya ng double pawn. Ayan, karoon siya ng double pawn. Kinain guys. Anong maganda? Sige na. Ayan na. Ayan. Ay nako. God. panalo na to guys. Ayan, nag-resign yung kalaban. Plus 5 tayo guys. Balikan natin yung laro. Review natin guys. So yan yung kalaban, nag-move ng e4, e5, knight f3, knight c6, then dyan. This opening is called the Roy Lopez opening or Spanish game. So the idea is attack the bishop, attack the knight by the bishop, so that this particular pawn will be free from capturing the knight. So the best move there is attack that bishop also, and then if that will be accepted, you have to capture with that pawn, so that if ever this knight will capture that, we are going to put the queen over here, double attack the knight over here and also the pawn. But then the opponent choose this one, so what I did is a capture. She wants to exchange, so that's what happened. So we attack, we develop, then okay, the idea here is also the same. We are going to attack this one so that this pawn will be captured, so it is protected. Then what I did is I was able to have a double pawn capture. We develop, I move here so that the bishop could not go over here now, controlling this particular square. So I just develop my pieces. I have the advantage on the queen side, so I put my I have to move that pawn over there. Then eventually double his rooks, I also double mine. I push the pawn so that could control that particular square on f4. We help each other. Okay, then I try to attack that particular pawn. I guess this is a bad move guys. The best move would be this particular rook be put here. Why? Because if ever anyway, he could not attack now. So he moved that, I move over there, I push the pawn, capture, and I have the advantage, one pawn advantage on that side. So exchange, then I check. Why I check? So that I could have some space. So I try to come over there, okay, and push that one. Okay, and then I move there. I guess this is a bad move, no? That's a bad move because the pieces are not connected, no? So I attack, eventually I attack that pawn and she resigned. That's from Ecuador, Angel Alfonso Aguirre. Thank you very much, Angel, for that game. So okay, thank you very much for watching guys. Please support our channel, please subscribe for more videos. Bye everyone.